How to send Snapchat like quick video on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can send Snapchat like quick video on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up WhatsApp in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you have to open up the chat where you want to send the quick video on. After that, navigate to the bottom of the chat page, tap on the camera icon. Once you tap on it, now at the end of the screen there is an option as a video note, tap on it. So once you're under the video note, now you can record a quick video. Tap on this record button and record your quick video. Once done, again tap on the. So once you have recorded your quick video, all you have to do is tap on this send icon at the bottom right corner, and then the video will now be sent as a quick video, as you can see on this interface. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.